The King's Weaver, Chapter 17. The Disguise Irava. I couldn't tell him. I couldn't tell him about the Dowager's threat, and I should have told him. I shouldn't even have been there. But now I've agreed to teach him. I offered it. Oh gods, what was I thinking? Nikolai has threatened me, and he'll only get angrier the more time I spend with the king. I'm sure Toravin's coming for me in the mage's quarters is already the talk of the palace. And the Dowager Zinara threatened me about meeting with Toravin. And now I have again. And with Toravin, I've seen the evidence that someone, a weaver, tried to cover up what happened with the king. If the weaver didn't kill the king themselves, then they were an accomplice. I came to this palace looking to prove the king a murderer. But I found myself instead chasing a conspiracy. And I have no idea who the enemies are. Everyone could be my enemy. Except, maybe, Toravan. And that is an unsettling thought. The next day, Toravan and his men go on a hunt. I learn this at breakfast, when it's the chatter of the day. I shouldn't feel disappointed, or that he should have informed me. I have no claim over him. Not as Caleb, anyway. And if I want to continue to be here, and be in his trust, and use my magic, I must be Caleb. I should feel grateful. Our meeting is delayed. Might be delayed indefinitely even. I really should leave the palace before my life is truly in danger, if it isn't already. But the Dowager Zinara, who's taken her place at the high table for the first time since I arrived at the palace, has announced that she will hold a garden party this morning, and the court is welcome to attend. And I've been thinking, ever since the day before, that maybe, just maybe, her threats weren't about me romancing the king, but that she knows I'm helping him find his father's murderer, and she doesn't want me to find out what happened. As I eat, only half listening to the nobles chattering away around me, I wonder if the king being away and the dowager having her party is an opportunity. Maybe his mother's threat is just a mother's threat. My own mother has her opinions on who her children should marry. Not that they're good ones. If I might marry into this family, I should at very least find out more about what I'm getting into. I glance up occasionally at the high table, but the dowager hasn't seen fit to acknowledge my existence. She has to know I've seen Toravan again. He came to find me, publicly at my quarters. And I try not to burn at that memory, or quietly tuck it away. So will the dowager exact her revenge by trying to destroy my life from a distance? That would be the acceptable feminine way to go about bringing someone down. Princess Elsira catches my eye when I'm looking and gives me a wan smile. Then she looks away again. Her smile seems more forced than when